Okay, number 9, the equation of a curve is y equals to this. Then the equation of line is y equals to kx plus p, where k and p are constant with k is in between 0 to 1. It is given that one of the point is this. We take note of this. This is very important. And find the values of k and p and find the coordinates of the other points of intersection. Okay. Since we are given a points, okay, so we just use it to find the k first, yeah, because if we see at this equation, yeah, we only have k and x and y, obviously. So if we input the x and y, we might be able to get the k. Okay, so we just use that half k square times 25 over 4, yeah, because the k the x is 5 over 2, so minus 2k 5 over 2 and then plus 2. So in this case we get half equals to 25 over 8 k square minus 5k plus 2. Okay, so if I multiply this with 8, yeah, both sides we multiply with 8, we get 4 equals to 25k square minus 40k, okay, plus 16. Okay, yeah, so we get 25k square, we move the 4 to the other side, then we get 40k plus 12 equals to 0. Okay, so this is our first equation. Now, we can use factorization for this. Obviously, we are looking at 5k and 5k equals to 0. And this is negative 6, this is negative 2, okay, plus 12, okay. Yeah, so we have k equals to 6 over 5 or k equals to 2 over 5. Now, we have a condition previously that the constant k must be in between 0 and 1. So we ignore this. Okay, so the k would be 2 out of 5. Now, to find the p, yeah, to find the p, since we already have the k, so we just input. Okay, we just input we use the y. So I just separate this. So we have y equals to kx plus p. Okay, so here we have we use the same coordinate, which is half equals to k is 2 over 5 times the x is 5 over 2 plus p. Here we get the p equals to half minus 1, that is negative half. So we get the k and we get the p. Now, okay, find the value of k and p, we done. Okay, and then find the coordinates of the other point of intersection. That means we need to put both of these, yeah, into the equation. Yeah, this is some people will find this annoying, okay, because it's quite long. So we have half k square x square negative 2kx kemudian plus 2 equals to kx plus p. So if we input the k just now is 2 over 5, so half times 2 over 5 square times the x square, okay, and then equal negative 2 times 2 over 5 times x plus 2 equals to 2 over 5x negative half. Nah, okay, the next thing is we open the bracket and everything. So we have half times 4 over 25 x squared minus 2 times 2 is 4 over 5x plus 2 that is equals to 2 over 5x negative half. Okay, so cross, so we get 2 out of 25x squared. Negative 4 out of 5x plus 2 equals to 2 out of 5x negative half. So if we move everything to the left, we get 2 out of 25x squared negative 4 over 5 negative 2 over 5, we get negative 6 over 5x. And then we have 2 plus half, which is 5 over 2. And then we times 50. So we get 4x squared negative 60x, okay, plus 125 equals to 0. Okay, so we have 4x squared negative. Can we simplify this? No. Okay, yeah, it cannot be divided by anything. Okay, so next we just factorize 2x and 2x, obviously. So we have negative 25 and negative 5. Okay, so yes, we got the second equation. Second root. The first root is 5 over 2. Then the second one, the x would be 25 over 2. So this is the x point. Okay, so for the x is 25 over 2, then the y, we just have to input that. Yeah, I just separate this. Okay, the y would be, I just use kx plus p. Okay, so if the x is 25 over 2, so the k is 2 over 5 just now, times 25 over 2, negative half. Okay, so 5 minus half, so 9 over 2. So the y is 9 over 2. Okay, yeah, that is the second coordinates of apa namanya, the rootsnya dia ya, the second point, the other point of intersection, sorry ya. Jadi the point of intersection would be 25 over 2, 9 over 2. Yeah, that is the second one. Now we go to B. It's given instead that the line and the curve do not intersect. Okay, so when we're talking about do not intersect, we remember that discriminant must be less than 0. Okay, but first we have to find the equation of the intersection. Yeah, we just now we already have that this part, yeah. Okay, so let me rewrite that. Half k square x square negative 2kx plus 2 equals to kx plus p. Okay, we just simplify first lah ya. Half k square x square negative 2kx negative kx plus 2 minus p equals to 0. Okay, so 2kx, this one will become k square x square negative 3kx plus 2 minus p equals to 0. So again, this is our intersection equation ya. Jadi once we get that, we need to find the discriminant. Okay, the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So we have the b is negative 3k square minus 4 times half k square ya. Half k square times the c is 2 minus p. This must be less than 0. Yeah, so discriminant must be less than 0. Now we have, I just open the bracket. Okay, so we have 9k square minus 4k square plus excuse me, 2k square p less than 0. Okay, so we use the k. Yeah, the k is 2 over 5. So 9 times 2 over 5 would be 4 over 25 minus 4 times 4 out of 25 plus 2 times 4 out of 25 times p less than 0. So here we have 36 over 25 minus 16 out of 25 plus 8 out of 25p less than 0. Okay, so we have I just move it to the other side, less than negative 20 over 25. We cancel the 25, so the p would be less than negative 20 out of 8, or p is less than negative 5 over 2. Okay, that's it for 4b and 9b, sorry. This one is 9, number 9b. Okay, so the first part, let me repeat. The first part is given the intersection, so we use the coordinate. Okay, so we use the coordinate and input that to the first equation to get the k. Okay, once we get the k, be careful because we have 2k. Okay, one is 6 out of 5, the other is 2 out of 5. The rule or the condition that is given to us is that the k must be in between 0 and 1. So we ignore the 6 out of 5. We stick to 2 out of 5. Once we get 2 out of 5, I'm using the y equals to kx plus p, and I input the half and the y and x coordinate, and the k as well. That's how you get the p equals to negative half. Okay, now we get k, we get p. The question asks us to find the coordinates of the other point of intersection. So I just input y1 equals to y2. Okay, and I input the k and the p, which gets me 4x squared negative 60x plus 125 as the equation of intersection. Okay, then from there I just factorize. Yeah, 2x negative 25 and 2x negative 5. That's how I get the x equals to 25 over 2, and the y would be 9 over 2. Okay, that is for A. For B, it's given instead that the line and the curve do not intersect. So again, I'm using the y1 equals to y2 to find the intersection. Then once I get the intersection, I'm using the discriminant less than 0 because they do not intersect. So that's how I get the p less than negative 5 over 2. Sorry. Okay, so that's it for number 9.